On this exciting episode of Super Dave's Family Adventures, Glacier Point Overlook, Yosemite National Park. Glacier Point Overlook was closed for the summer 2022 season, but it just opened up a couple days before our camping trip began in 2023 of July. Most of the footage on this vlog was filmed on an Insta360 action camera, the new X3 camera.
It's the 10% thing.
Yeah. On this particular day, there was a 10% chance of rain on the day of this filming. Over there off in the distance to the left, there was a fire burning, a peak of fire which is burning in Yosemite National Park. Glacier Point is your scenic overview point for Yosemite National Park, where you can get a good glimpse of most of this gorgeous park. If no drones are allowed in national parks, then how did I capture this unique shot here in this location? Or how about this flyover? Nevada Falls, and Vernal Falls. And the world famous Half Dome. This caterpillar my wife captured on film. Can't wait to turn into a butterfly to fly in this beautiful location. Our families enjoyed eating lunch here at the Glacier Point Overlook in Yosemite National Park.
Ready? Stop chewing. Gabriel. Dave. Gabriel.
Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. After lunch, our families drove down to the Mariposa Grove of sequoia trees in Yosemite National Park, which will be our upcoming next video. And coming up in a future video, my wife, son, and I took a hike up to the Vernal Falls, which was our most challenging hike so far. A few months ago, I promised my viewers that I would be getting a new camera and improving my shooting skills and editing skills. If you enjoyed this content, I hope that you'll subscribe and hit that like button and help us reach 1,000 subscribers one day in the future. Thanks for watching, and God bless. Until next time, Super Dave out. Hey guys, life is a picture, so let's get out there and shoot some videos. Be sure to check out some of our other adventures. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching Super Dave's Family Adventures. Please hit that like button and subscribe, leave a comment and share. Thank you, God bless. And until next time, Super Dave out.